Can coffee cause UTI? Drinking caffeinated beverages may contribute to the development of lower urinary tract symptoms, LUTs, in both men and women, according to a new report. LUTs may be less likely to develop in men who drink citrus juice. And analyzed data from 4,145 individuals who are part of the Boston area community health cohort. Men who reported drinking more than 2 cups of coffee per day at baseline had a significant twofold increased likelihood of LUTs onset compared with those who reported drinking no coffee. Men who increased their coffee intake during follow-up by 2 or more 8-ounce cups per day from baseline had a significant 61% increased odds of LUTs progression. In men, consumption of orange or grapefruit juice was associated with a significant 50% decreased risk of LUTs development. Women who increased coffee intake by at least 2 8-ounce servings per day during follow-up had a significant 64% increased odds of progression of storage symptoms compared with women who had no change from baseline. Baseline coffee consumption was not associated with LUTs among women. Women who increased their soda intake by 2 or more 8-ounce servings per day had a significant 59%, 58%, and 40% increased likelihood of overall LUTs, voiding symptoms, and storage symptoms, respectively. The researchers concluded that their findings support recommendations to limit caffeinated beverage intake for LUTs, and in men, they suggest benefits of citrus juice consumption. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now to watch more videos.